Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? Good. Look what Miss Pooja have today. Yeah, it's a book. Beep beep farm squeak me. What color did you see here? It's a red color. Yes. Yellow, yes. And what did you see others? Yes, chicken here and horse. And what is this? It's a ball. Look at here. Squeak. Yeah. What's the sound? Do you want to touch it? Yes, good job. Let's turn the page. And cows ate the wheels to tour the farm, and hen makes the horn go off like an alarm. Look at the. What do you see here? Did you see the farm here? It's a house. Yes. And chicks crowd inside and try not to speak and listen inside as the jeep horn goes squeak. Yes, chicks crowd inside and try not to speak and they just listen to jeep horn. Yes, squeak, squeak. Yeah, are you excited? Yes. They next pick up horse who is trying to sing and hums along loudly when the horns give a ring. Pig joins the fun in the shiny red jeep and enjoy the big horn when it goes beep. It's a shiny red jeep. Yes, squeak, squeaks, beep, 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 beep. And cute sheep is last on this lovely farm route, and they all give the horn and final loud toot, toot, toot. Thank you everyone, that's it. You wanna touch it again? Let's squeak, squeak. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.